My name is Jeff Foster. I'm the CEO and President of Technology Molding Corporation. We really focus on the biological, pharmaceutical, automotive. We do some heavy truck, off-road, and some outdoor lawn equipment, small percentages in the appliance as well. Before DELMIAWorks, we were doing a lot of calculations by hand. They weren't totally accurate. They weren't real time. So when we had audits, they were asking some of this information and we weren't totally prepared. And I didn't have a high level of confidence that we were giving accurate information. DELMIAWorks has helped us quickly show that we understand OEE. Several of our new larger customers, they're very interested in how we were tracking that, how we were calculating that, and now we're able to generate those reports and show very quickly. So when you're able to show that to a $195 billion company, they're impressed. Our competitors aren't able to do that, and sometimes they're not able to generate those reports so quickly internally. And that's what's helped us take market share from competitors. It's helped us to adapt to uncertainty. One way is through our supply chain. So at one time, we were single sourced with a lot of our raw materials in our purchasing group, but now we're able to really keep close track of our purchasing, more importantly, our suppliers. Key word is localization. So instead of sourcing from hundreds or thousands of miles away, we're able to source locally.
What makes Core Technology competitive is our flexibility and really our ability to look at customers as more of a partnership. That's what makes us competitive. Mastering the art of the pivot has been a part of Core Technology's model. So we really look forward to building a relationship with customers and really solving their problems. And part of solving the problems is being able to take extra deliveries, being able to stock more raw materials, just being able to grow with the customer and really adding value to their supply chain globally. Through DELMIAWorks, we're able to adjust inventory levels. So with lead times extending, the market volatility, pricing, everything being so dynamic, so we're able to adjust those things quickly. So we can confirm with our customer, how much might be left from a blanket order that we have, or if it's a spur of the moment job that we might get, we can plug that information in quickly and then stay on top of it so we keep information coming, so we keep our customer running. DELMIAWorks, really through the RealTime application, we're able to drop in live work orders that come from our customers' purchase orders, and we can really take a close look at capacity, and it really helps us determine where we might be able to move things around. We can really communicate to the customer what's going on in our business and really help them long-term plan for what they need. DELMIAWorks has really been able to help us keep track of things like capacity, and it helps us give customers answers about things real time. So things come up now, hey, can you do this? That wasn't in the plan, and we can give the customer an answer quickly by loading things like work orders in, checking raw material stock, and then really planning for the future.
I think the first things I check out as CEO is real time. I really want to get a good feel for how things are running, full cavitation to the cycle time. That information is very important to me. I have a high level of confidence in 2 minutes that we are being accurate, but we're being profitable. When I look at our growth over the last year, we've grown 300%. So that should raise a flag to everyone that, hey, we got some capacity issues, but we were able to really strategically purchase capital equipment and then take on new business. But without that information, we would have probably taken on new business and then don't have the capacity to handle that, which will give you a black eye, not just with some of our strategic customers, but in the industry, that, hey, these guys are taking on more work than they can handle. It goes across different markets, not just automotive, not just biofarm, but some of these other industries, they all want the same data. They don't know how to capture it, they don't know how to get it from their customers, or more importantly, from their suppliers. So when they can't get that data, now they're coming to us, and now they've raised a bar, and they're telling our competitors, you need to be using something like Core Technology. So it's set us apart from our competitors for sure, and I wish we could have done it 10 years ago.
Your network is your net worth, and I can see Core Technology and DELMIAWorks both growing, but growing together.